Here's how to remove your email ID from Facebook in just a few easy steps. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three-line profile menu icon in the top left corner. Next, expand Settings and Privacy down below. Then tap on Settings from the top. Inside Settings, tap on Account Center. Then select Profiles and Personal Details. Scroll all the way down and select Contact Info. Here you can see the current email IDs and phone numbers linked to your account. Tap on the email address you want to remove. Then select Delete Email. Read the warning message carefully and tap on Delete to continue. Wait for Facebook to process the request. The email address will be removed from your account. And that's it.